Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, senior analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 28th of September. Oil producers meeting. Will they reach an accord? Today, the meeting between major OPEC and non-OPEC oil producers in Algeria will conclude, and the members will announce whether a consensus to freeze output has been reached or not. Since the meeting began, the headlines suggest that there is still much to be done before a deal takes flesh, as the Iranian oil minister said yesterday that they are in Algiers only to exchange views and nothing more. What's more, the Saudi Arabian oil minister noted that he is not expecting an agreement on Wednesday, but this could happen later this year. Bearing in mind these remarks, we maintain our view that an agreement appears unlikely today, something that could bring oil prices under renewed selling pressure on the announcement. However, given how much expectations for a deal have diminished lately, the risks surrounding oil prices from this event are likely asymmetrical, with any potential deal likely to generate a much bigger positive market reaction than the corresponding negative reaction in case of no deal. In the US, the event set to attract market attention is the testimony by Fed Chair Yellen before the Congress Financial Services Committee. With the Fed chief having expressed her view on the rate path at last week's FOMC meeting, we expect her to offer little new information on policy. In addition to this, the topic of her testimony is centered on the supervision and regulation of big banks, implying that the conversation may not focus so much around the Fed's monetary policy. Nonetheless, lawmakers are still likely to question Yellen on the outlook of monetary policy in the Q&A session, and any comments she makes could prove cause for some volatility in the dollar. In Eurozone, ECB President Draghi will speak twice today, and we believe that markets are likely to focus on his second appearance, which will be before the German Parliament. He is expected to address the ECB's stimulus program as well as the European economy. The speech comes amid mounting criticism from various German lawmakers over the efficiency of the ECB's ultra-accommodative monetary policy and whether or not solid Eurozone economies like Germany still need ultra-low rates. Even though this meeting is due to be held behind closed doors, Draghi will make public comments after the event is concluded. As for today's indicators, we get the US durable goods orders for August. Both the headline and core rates are expected to have fallen notably after July's strong rebound. The consensus is supported by the collapse in the ISM manufacturing index for the month, where the new orders index fell the most among the survey's components, to indicate contraction for the first time since December 2015. Following the recent string of disappointing economic data out of the US, falling durable goods could enhance concerns over the underlying momentum of the US economy and thereby bring the dollar under selling pressure. Besides Chair Yellen and President Draghi, we have two more speakers scheduled for today: St. Louis Fed President James Bullard and Chicago Fed President Charles Evans. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, senior analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.